What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today, I'm going to show you guys how I am going to make some reusable gift wrap for the holidays, or for Christmas, or for, you could use it for a birthday, whatever gift giving that you give, you can use this for any of that. So basically, I have this big, gigantic wrap of red fabric. I think it was supposed to, it was used for a project a while ago, a couple of years ago, and I just had it sitting around and I was like, I've always wanted to use reusable gift wrap. Let's make it with this. So I actually have a few gifts right here that I need to wrap for my goddaughter. Some other gifts that I need to wrap as well. So what I'm basically going to do is cut these out in a lot of different varieties, shapes, sizes, and add some ribbon to it and make it a cute little gift bag or gift wrap that is reusable. Again, for any holiday, for any occasion. So let's just get into it. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to lay it flat on the ground. I'm going to fold it in half, or just enough to actually fit one of these bigger gifts that I have. So I'm just going to take my gift and some scissors. I'm going to lay it down on the fabric. So straight cut. And then straight cut up. Then now we got this big rectangle. Basically what we're going to do is fold it inside out. And then we're going to sew the bottom and the side. But before we do that, we're actually going to take the top and fold it in a few inches. And we're going to make a nice little line here to make it a little bit cleaner on the other side. So we're going to take this over to our sewing table, sew this top piece together. Once we do that, then we'll go in, sew the bottom and the side all together. All right, so we got that clean cut or clean stitch across the top. Also looks like this on the other side. Now we're going to keep it inside out, flip it together, and we are going to sew the side and the bottom. On the side, I am going to tie some ribbon or sew some ribbon on the inside so we can use that to wrap the gift together. Now, once you got those sides all sewn down, you just simply turn it inside out and you have like this bag that has some attached ribbon to it. You can place now you just place your gift in it. Like so. I could probably work on my bow tying, but boom, there we have it. Nice reusable gift wrapping bag. Super simple, super cute, super easy to make. I suggest that you guys go ahead and make one yourself. But now this is gonna go under my tree. You can make a bunch of different sizes, colors, any colors that you want, and it's nice, cute, and again, you can use it for any holiday, any occasion. So Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys try this or not? Leave that comment down below. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, join the family, share with your friends and your family. Stay positive, and you know I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.